Dahiwala Mount Lavinia, located just south of Colombo, is a vibrant coastal suburb of Sri Lanka, known for its golden beaches, colonial history, and bustling local life. From luxurious seaside resorts to homely guest houses, the area offers a variety of accommodations for every type of traveler. Whether you are here for a beach holiday, business trip, or cultural exploration, these hotels promise comfort, warm Sri Lankan hospitality, and easy access to the city's attractions. The first one is Mount Lavinia Hotel, a historic landmark dating back to the colonial era. Mount Lavinia Hotel combines old world charm with modern comforts. Overlooking the Indian Ocean, it offers direct beach access, spacious rooms, and elegant dining options. Guests enjoy its grand architecture, large swimming pool, and romantic sunset views. It's perfect for those who want a luxurious stay with a touch of history. The second one is Koza Salon. Koza Salon is a stylish boutique property just steps from the beach. With chic interior and a relaxed vibe, it's ideal for couples and solo travelers seeking tranquility. The rooms are thoughtfully designed, blending comfort and modern aesthetics. Guests appreciate its quiet location while still being close to the shops and restaurants. The third one is Mount Lodge Boutique Hotel. This small boutique hotel offers personalized service in a cozy, intimate setting. The rooms are modern and comfortable with tasteful decor and homely touches. Guests praises the friendly staff and peaceful atmosphere. It's an excellent choice for travelers who value privacy and a warm, welcoming environment. The fourth one is Frangipani Dahiwala. Set amidst lush greenery, Frangipani Dahiwala offers a serene retreat close to the beach. The rooms are decorated in soft, claiming tone, creating a restful environment. Guests enjoy the well-kept gardens and peaceful surroundings. It's perfect for those who want a nature-filled stay without sacrificing city convenience. The fifth one is Leo's Homestay. Leo's Homestay offers budget-friendly accommodation with a focus on comfort and cleanliness. The rooms are simple yet fully maintained, ideal for families or long-stay guests. The friendly host goes the extra mile to make visitors feel at home. Its location offers easy access to public transport and local eateries. The next one is Ocean Pebbles. Ocean Pebble is a boutique hotel known for its contemporary style and ocean-facing rooms. The interior are bright and airy with modern furnishing. Guests enjoy the peaceful ambience and proximity to the beach. It's a great option for those looking for a quiet, upscale experience. The next one is Grand Rovinka Hotel. Grand Rovinka Hotel offers spacious rooms, a comfortable lounge, and a restaurant serving local and international cuisine. Guests appreciate its clean, well-kept facilities and attentive service. The hotel is located in a claim area, making it suitable for both leisure and business travelers. Free parking adds to its convenience. The next one is Hill Street Villa. Hill Street Villa offers stylish accommodations with a blend of modern comfort and homely charm. The rooms are spotless and tastefully furnished. Guests praise the location, which is close to the beach and local attractions. It's a perfect place for both relaxation and sightseeing. The second last is Concord Grand Hotel. Concord Grand Hotel is a practical choice for travelers looking for a balance of affordability and amenities. It offers comfortable rooms, a restaurant, and conference facilities. Guests appreciate the friendly service and convenient location for exploring this city. It's suitable for short or long stays. The last one is Lavinia Villa. Lavinia Villa is a charming guest house offering spacious rooms and a peaceful setting. The decor blends Sri Lankan style with modern comfort. Guests enjoy the attentive hospitality and relaxed atmosphere. It's ideal for travelers seeking a cozy, home-like environment near the beach. Dahiwala Mount Ravina offer comfortable accommodations to match every traveler style, from the grandeur of Mount Lavina Hotel to the intimate comfort of boutique stays like Koza Salon. Whether you are drawn by the golden beaches, rich history, or lively local culture, these hotels ensure a comfortable and memorable stay. With warm Sri Lankan hospitality and easy access to both the city and the coast, the area remains one of the country's most inviting destinations.